Hannah from the Customer Success team here at LandTech, and I'm here to give you a quick demo of LandInsight, covering all of our map layers, our basic functionality, and our key features. So, let's get going. First things first, the Help Centre can be found in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Here, you can search for any topic you need help on, chat to one of our team, view our LandInsight tutorials, or access LandTech Learn. You've got a few options with map views. We have Satellite View, Google Map View, Street View, and Bing Maps, all of which are unlimited. We also have OS Maps. OS map views are limited, so we suggest that you save them for sites of interest. You can easily monitor how many views you have left in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. You can use this button on the left to toggle council boundaries, map labels, and hidden sites on or off. To search by a specific location, use the search bar in the top navigation to jump to your location on the screen.
Hi, I'm Ben and I'm one of the Customer Success Managers here at LandTech, and today we're going to be taking a look at the ownership data. If you could begin by clicking on the map in the top navigation bar and select ownership from the drop-down. As you begin to zoom in, colour-coded parcel boundaries will appear on the map, with data being taken from UK Land Registry and updated by us on a monthly basis. There is a legend in the bottom left-hand corner which will explain to you the colour coding of the ownership layer. Click on a site to view the leaseholder and lease end date, or access detailed freeholder information on the right-hand side. You can also purchase the Land Registry title deeds of a site, and if there's an arrow, you can click through to Company's House for further info on the owner. Now navigate to the left-hand side to utilise the ownership search. You can use this to search by a landowner to see their entire portfolio. You can filter by size and date of the ownership change, or search by ownership status. This helps you keep an eye on competitors, do better due diligence, and find opportunities based on your industry insights. You have the ability to save any sites of interest using the pink Save button, and these will appear in your site's pipeline. To create a land assembly, toggle land assembly mode on, then select any adjacent or non-adjacent sites of interest and save it as a site using the Save button.
Hello, I'm Lauren, one of the Customer Success Managers at LandInsight, and I'm going to take you through the planning application layer. Select Planning Application from the drop-down, and the map will populate with dots of varying sizes and colours to represent planning applications. The bigger the dot, the higher the impact of the application, and the redder the dot, the more recently submitted. Don't worry, all of this is explained in the legend. Click on a dot to find out more information about the relevant planning application made on that site, giving you more insight into the area that you're interested in. You can click on the full application, which you can access via the planning portal. You can find the planning search on the left-hand side. Use this search to look for applications of interest to your project. For example, you could search by use class, an application type, number of units, and also date received. The search will scan the visible map area. For example, you might search for approved residential applications in the last 2 years. Unlimited users can then set an alert to be notified when an application is submitted or there's an update to an application of interest. These are essential for making sure you are first off the mark.
So I'm back making another appearance, and this time we're going to be taking a look at planning policy and property info. To start with, to get a better understanding of an area of interest, select Planning Policy from the main drop-down, and a list of significant environmental constraints will appear on the right-hand side. Check or uncheck any of these to make them appear or disappear on the map. Navigate to the policy search on the left, or click View Further Policies in Policy Search to open up the left-hand search bar. You can search by council or select a policy of interest. Results will be displayed on the map. For property information, select property information from the drop-down and property boundaries will automatically appear if you're zoomed in enough. Click in on a site and you will be able to find out the address, building dimensions, nearby building heights, protected land designations, nearby listed buildings and flood area information. In property search on the left-hand side, you can search by use class or property description and filter by the total floor area or rateable value. Any relevant sites will appear on the map and the list below. You can save any sites that you're interested in using the pink Save button, and these again will appear in your site area.
Hiya, I'm Chloe and I'm a Customer Success Manager at LandTech. LandInsight's drawing tools can be accessed by clicking on the pencil and ruler icon in the top right-hand corner of the map. This annotation bar includes a range of tools that you can use to mark your map. A ruler, a line, a polygon, a circle, a rectangle, a text box, and a point of interest. There are many uses for these tools, such as planning a site or marking distances from local amenities, and many more. The comparables layer can also be found in the main drop-down. You can either use sold price or pound per square foot values, and you can toggle between metric and imperial units. It's possible to filter by date sold, property type, whether it's a new build, the tenure, and the floor area. A heat map will then automatically be created so that you can get a better idea of the land values in your area of interest. Select the pound per square foot calculator button and it will appear on the left-hand side. You can then create a comparables report by selecting the area you are interested in. Then you can download that report into an editable CSV.
Hi, I'm Jess, one of the Customer Success Managers here at LandTech. I'm going to be walking you through the site's pipeline, the dashboard, and the power infrastructure layer. Click on Sites in the top left corner to access the site's pipeline. Each column is a stage. You can move any saved sites across the stages. Rename the stages to match your workflow as seen here. Click on a site to open the site card. All the relevant information about the site can be found under the tabs. You can designate sites as high, medium, or low priority, or add your own label. If you have a merged pipeline, you can assign sites to team members. Then you can filter by site name, label, local authority, and assignee to help organise your workflow. You can also export ownership information of the site saved in a stage as a CSV, helping to simplify your mail merge process. From the dashboard, accessible in the top left corner, you can see all the plan alerts you have set up and view all your purchase documents, such as land registry title deeds. You can top up your credits here if you wish to purchase more documents. We can unlock the power infrastructure layer for anyone in energy development. It shows the location and capacity of substations across England and Wales. If you'd like access to this, please speak to your account manager.
And that's it. Get in touch if you'd like a demo.